Time now 11:19. Time to check in with Wave 31 meteorologist Grace Anello.
It's a nice day out there, but I know that's not to stay, unfortunately.
Yeah, Alex, you're exactly right. So if you want a day to be outside, well, today or the early part of tomorrow, that's your best time to do it. Looking across North Alabama on each of our Wave 31 sky camera networks powered by Thompson Roofing and Construction, we are looking good. We have a little more cloud cover in the area than what we've seen the last few days, but even still, the blue sky is shining through and looking beautiful. And we can even see that cloud cover on our Storm Tracker early warning radar network, and that is going to push into our region from Georgia and continue to increase over the course of the next several days. All right, well, our temperatures across the northern part of the state are really very pleasant at this hour. We're talking 70 for some of our northeastern counties, Scottsboro, Fayetteville, Tennessee, and then a little bit cooler for some of the rest of us. We're at 68 degrees in Moulton and 68 in Gunnersville. Good afternoon to all of you. If you can get out today to have lunch, I suggest taking that break outdoors while you still can. As we push through this lunch break, the sunshine does stay with us, and so does a little bit of that cloud cover, even intensifying. By the time we get later into this afternoon, we will push into the low 80s and near 80, and that will be our high temperature of 80 and 81 degrees today. Well, like we've been saying, if you want to grill outdoors, tonight is the night, folks. At 5 p.m., we'll talk about the upper 70s for our temperature, but then the sun does set at about 6:15, this evening. So by the time we get to 7 p.m., we've cooled off significantly, and at 9 p.m., we're talking about the mid-60s with more cloud cover than we've seen in quite some time. All right, well, overnight tonight, we will have a breeze actually staying with us at about 5 to 10 miles an hour coming out of our southeast. Now, this is going to usher in some more humid air, and that means that tomorrow it's also priming the atmosphere for uplift and convection, which is going to lead to some late afternoon and nighttime storms. Your high temperature for your Wednesday will still be in the low 80s, and we will have a gusty breeze of about 20 miles an hour. All right, let's talk about the future radar in our next weather maker. Starting at about 1 p.m., we are going to see some showers come into our southeastern counties, and these do push into the I-65 corridor and some of our northern counties as we head further through the afternoon. But now take a look at just before bedtime. We have a strong band of showers and storms with very gusty winds and some heavy downpours pushing through our region. Now, this is going to push south and east all throughout North Alabama and southern Tennessee, and it does stay in the region through the wee hours of the morning. Our biggest concerns with this system is some possible flash flooding, as well as gusty winds and could be some pea-sized hail. The good news is, as you wake up first thing on your Thursday morning, there could be some cloud cover left for some of us, but that rain should be out of our way for the day. So we're absolutely beautiful today with a high temperature in the low 80s and plenty of sunshine. That temperature stays with us, but by the time we get to Wednesday afternoon, a few of us see rain. Many of us, all of us, will see rain Wednesday night, first thing into Thursday morning, but we will have a mostly dry Thursday after we get past breakfast time. The good news is, as a result of that forcing mechanism of a cold front, we cool off into the mid and upper 70s for the rest of the week.